Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 3 combined with the PiXtend PLC. Many options, like any PLC, programmable logic control, serial cable attached, digital input, digital output, and everything from the point of view of the PLC. No motors attached yet. Last time I have been trying to get the motors running. That didn't do anything. So there's another thing that I want to test in that perspective, and that is the digital output. There are a few LEDs right here, and I want to check if those LEDs will function, yes or no. And that is the main thing, the main focus for now. Of course, this is 5 volts, this is 12 volts. Or is it 24? No, it's 12. Phase Technique LED, which should be working once the algorithm is running. This is working nicely, though not useful yet because there's no algorithm running. Network via VNC. Anyway, let's see if I can get digital output running, or at least the LEDs burning, to see what's the culprit. Right, another view on the PLC with the Raspberry Pi 3. With here a couple of LEDs, oscilloscope only attached to this line for measuring, hopefully, the correct signal for data out, and that will be data out, digital out 4. Now I can, or I could easily test that with PX Auto. And yes, and there is digital out, and this is digital in. And that should be then true, I think. And that the LED burns. That is good. Now how about this one, the 05? It's good as well. So the fact that I was thinking about using it for pulse modulation, that's something different apparently. Let me then try all other ones that I have. Not quite sure which one that is. Okay. So I have, and now they are all burning. So 1 through 5 is 6 LEDs burning, which is very nice. That is exactly what I wanted to see. So they are not activated with pulse modulation, they are activated by digital output. What output is there actually? That's another question. This probe is onto digital out 4, as far as I can tell, but there's nothing there to there's no signal apparently. So let me attach something to the other ones and see if I can manipulate some. This is interesting to see. Alright, now I have connected these two probes as well. You can see one here and one here. Connected to digital out 1 and 2. And I have put the same things here. So I should actually say 1 here and 2 here. And I'm forgetting to say something is on, so I will do here 1 and I will do obviously 2. Here. Right, save and go here and run. Right, this is interesting because there's nothing to see. One, yes. Okay, I need to take a closer look. Okay. One, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so that is an obvious signal. Now instead of pulse modulation, that will be then 5 as well. So let's do 5, 4 and 5 actually. So this is let's do just everything. 3, 3, 3 and 3. Then this will be 4, 4, 4 and 4, and of course 5. Which is then actually number 6. Alright, so let's go. One, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the LEDs are very clearly completely separate from the pulse modulation. Another thing is though, why don't I see anything on the oscilloscope? So let's see if I have. Alright, let's show pattern for duration. Let's take duration then and put it also on 2 and on 3. Alright, time base 1 second. And I want to see something. But I do not see one single thing. So what voltage do I need? do I need say 10 volts? I put it to 10, 10 and 10. Although that should not really matter. I see absolutely nothing. Why do I not see anything of a digital output? That's a crazy thing. Assuming that there is a signal out, but on this one I see nothing either, which raises the question, is it digital out? Yeah, it is, because the LED goes out, but what's on the port? Nothing so far, and that's a bit strange. Right, a final thing, using Octave as well. Writing serial data. I haven't changed anything to the algorithm, but so be it. Pressing 5, no, not here. Here, oh, I did press 5 and it does work. The big question is, of course, how does it work with what? So let me do it like this then. In the serial terminal, once again, absolutely nothing. And now something has gone very strange. Yeah, very strange indeed. So 3, that's better. But data left in is nothing, so here is still anything very strange. Let me put channel 4, no, that can stay where it is. This one goes to channel 4. And then I will have to connect it, of course. And there you can see there's a continuous signal. I can also try this wire. It is the exact opposite, so let me hold it with this one. Then I have at least one signal, and the rest doesn't show signal. And then another thing is, I want to press a button. Oh, and I want to see the oscilloscope. And there's nothing there. Nothing on here either, and that should be the case. So, despite finding out that The LEDs are for digital out, not for pulse modulation. Things are still a mystery. And I think I'm going to end it with that. Alright, so the LEDs are indeed for digital output. Pulse modulation do nothing. Serial output or input, whatever, is doing something, but with the time base of 1 second, not really nice to see, but necessary to see the 1 second duration of digital out pulse, if I could have seen it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please consider a donation if you like what you see, and you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. More information under this video. This is going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.